I ran across some interesting stuff on a Linux distro watch. This is called Clonezilla, and it says that it's based on Live CD, a partitioning and disk cloning software similar to Norton Ghost. It saves and restores only used blocks and hard drive. With Clonezilla, one can clone a 5 gigabyte system to 40 clients in about 10 minutes. I have no idea what that means, really. It's on the front page of their thing. I'm going to download it. So I think it just be a live disk. What do we have here? We have download. Bontube. I just want the stable one. To download Clonezilla Live, select the CPU architecture. Oh, okay. So this is dependent on what you're using, I guess. Oh no. That's going to take me to another page, isn't it? I want an ISO and download it. Okay, we'll deal with that one later. I got Bodhi, MX, Anti-X, Android x86, which I'm not going to try because it's too old. Right now we're doing Anti-X, and we're going to put it on a Stream PC. And we're going to do the one that we just did recently. This thing's pretty close to done. And I don't have any other thumb drives handy, so I'm just going to be trying these like one at a time. But the Clonezilla would be cool. I have some stuff I wanted to clone, and boy, it would have been really nice, but it's too late now. Let's back out of this. So on the distro watch page, I just kind of like show you some stuff. IP Fire, whatever that is. FreeBSD. I don't know what the hell it is. Why it's got little devil horns. I don't want any weird devilly crap. Distro Watch Weekly. Garuda. Clonezilla. Linux from Scratch. Linux from Scratch is a project that provides you with steps necessary to build your own custom Linux system from source code. Oh, that's pretty cool. Smoothwall. Ghost BSD. Project maintains a desktop focused on the build of FreeBSD. It just, every time I say it, I just think of his S&M. What is it? What does BSD stand for? It's some kind of kinky crap. I forget what it is. Every time I see that, that's what I think of. Murina. Let's see, what is this? I don't know, we'll click on it and just see if it gives us like more information. What the hell is that? This is for a phone. Dude. Okay. What does it run on? Because I have like old phones laying around. I think it would be cool. The Marina team has announced the launch of an update to the EOS 2X series. New version improves Account Manager, Software Center while fixing bugs on multiple devices. We're thrilled to announce the release of EOS 2.8, packed with the new exciting features, improvements, and bug fixes, enhancing your experience. The update brings notable enhancements, including a more user-friendly account manager and an improved app lounge experience, and important software updates like the latest Lineage OS 21 security fixes. We've also addressed several bugs across blah 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 blah. Google Pixel 5, OnePlus Nord, and more, along with updates to popular apps such as browsers and maps. Um, a list of supported phones and install options for them can be found on the devices page. Okay, smartphone selector, how to get EOS on your device. An account is not mandatory, but is highly recommended. Can't find your smartphone or laptop. Check this list for devices we plan to introduce. Okay. Brand. Oh, okay, so I have a Zen phone somewhere. The only problem with that is that Zen phone is used to scan. I actually have, I think, this one. No official unlock method available. Root beer. Yes. I have the Max Pro or something like that. I don't know which one it is. It's from about 2018. I've not heard of any of these. Essential Pro one. Pixel. Basically, pixels are the shit, apparently. There's Lenovo Z5, the LG G5, G5, G6, G7 ThinQ, G7, V20, V30, V35, Motorola Edge, Racer, Berlin, P-Star. I don't know which. I think I have an Edge 2021. Not sure though. Edge 30, Edge 40, Edge S, Moto E7 Plus, Moto G5, Moto G Power, Motorola's for days. Moto 1, Moto Z3, OnePlus. A lot of different phone companies for sure. Anyway, this is something to look at some point in time. Galaxy, okay, Samsung, let me see what Samsung. A52, A71, A73, F62, M52, Note 9, Note 10, Note. I do have a tablet also. Note 10 Plus, 10, 5G. I've got a Verizon variant, and I think it might be an S. I don't know what it is. S10, S10 Plus, S10, S20, S20 Plus, S7, S7, S8, S9, S. So I don't think anything past the S20. Yeah, so it must be some kind of deal where you can't get into the other ones. Anyway, enough of that. Let's see what else is in here. RBN 3CX phone system. I briefly remember that. Okay, well, let's get over here to our drive here. Alright, we've got our little, we got our little streaming PC, whatever you want to call it. We're going to put the disc in this thing, shut this thing down, and I believe we need to push F9. We might run into some problems with this. It was warning me that we might not pass the UEFI. I don't think this has that on it. I don't think we have to worry about it. What's she doing? Nope. Come on. Okay, we are in there. Let's go boot order, enter. We want okay. Enter F10, accept. Okay. Escape. Save changes and exit. Yes. So, wow, that was very fast. Holy moly. Okay. What do we want? Error, bad shim signature. Error, you need to load the kernel first. Press any key to continue. Okay. Let's see here. Press escape to go back. It's not working. Right, let's go ahead and boot this again. It booted up really fast. And I don't know what it was trying to do. Maybe I screwed something up when it was loading. Okay. It's interesting how that, like, really, it just was like there super fast. Now what is it doing? It's probably going to try and boot back into Windows is what I think. Because it sure is sitting there for a minute. Alright, we're going to let it just do its thing. It says 44 seconds. Wow. Alright, so it's going to boot in a couple seconds, but I think we're going to get the error. We'll just see, but... now what happens? Language. US. Keyboard. Nope. Don't know what it's supposed to be doing. Time zone. Okay. Let's go here. We'll click enter on that. We can change. So we got language. Okay. Time zone. Alright. Enter. Bad shim signature. You need to load the kernel first. Press any key to continue. Alright. Next. Alright. we got that one. I don't even know which one this is. We'll go ahead and... I don't think it'll boot into it, so we need to be in F9. As soon as it... Well, it's not a reboot button. Okay. Alright. Enter. Invalid signature detected. Yeah, it warned about that. So that's two of them in a row. I can't get to work on this thing. Bummer deal. Interesting. Okay, I'm not sure if this is going to work. I had trouble figuring out which one to download. It's Open BSD, the kinky sounding operating system. Alright. Wait. It's not even detecting it. That's not good. I think there's an issue that there's no boot on this thing. They tried to do it in Rufus, and it was like, there's no boot. Yeah, this isn't gonna work. This is like 3 of them in a row. Okay, I can see the USB hard drive. Enter. Alright. Okay. And then F10 to accept. Escape. Save changes and exit. Yes. So the Open BSD media present. I don't know what the hell that's doing. It's kind of complicated for me because it goes into a file directory and it almost looks like you have to kind of like build your image together. We've got ISOs and images, and they're just kind of strange. So anyway, looks like this isn't going to work the way that I flashed it to the drive. I don't know. I don't even know what the hell PXE is. Alright, they just went back to Windows. It never booted. Alright, so this one is FreeBSD. The OpenBSD, I couldn't get it to work. It's the i386 memory stick image. So this is a Unix type of system. It's not really Linux. So I thought that would be kind of cool to try out. I just never tried it, so why not, right? Okay. FreeBSD. And then I guess we just do number 9. It should. And it's not showing again. We're in the same boat as before. So there's like no bootloader or something, I don't know. We'll see what it does, just booting it up. Yeah, it's not going to work. It's the same damn problem. All right, now to try this again. This is MX Linux. Okay. Let's just see if it boots. Just see what it does. MX Linux. Now that's what I'm talking about, man. Good lord. But it does have that same thing. And it might fail. Because it's based off of that other one. But it seems to be working. Seems pretty snappy too. But that doesn't mean anything. Alright. Get this thing out of the way. Okay, so I'm going to guess that we're going to get the install screen here in a second. This is going to be the live. So this is not supposed to be quite as fast as the other one that it's based off of. I forget what the other one was called. I can't read the damn thing either. Look at that. Desktop settings are basically where they should be. Okay, I can't read this. So, no, I don't need that. I just need, okay. Desktop settings. Oh, man. It's so hard for me to read this. Oh, I just want to change the resolution. Okay, well, maybe over here. This is very cool looking. I like this. Okay, graphics. I mean, I probably could do this from my... I don't think that's the type of graphics we're looking at. Appearance. Okay. Okay. So I can actually see it now. 2x scaling. Okay. This is definitely really cool looking. Let's go click the installer. I definitely like this. It's pretty slick looking. It's completely different than Ubuntu, but it's just really clean looking. Very modern. But like you click on things and it seems like it's a little different, but like even not being able to see the screen very well, I'm still able to figure out where to go. So what it would do is checks the deal. X Linux is an independent distribution based on Debian stable. Okay. Yeah. Next. Okay. It's still kind of hard for me to read, like, because I'm using a 4K monitor. The biggest problem is it's a 4K monitor. It's just like with my old monitors, I never ran into this issue. But it wants to make everything all fine detailed and, like, you know, small. Let's see, 15% copying new file system. So this is going to take a while. It does have the next key, but I don't think I'm supposed to worry about that. Let's see what it says now. Finish. I think it's done. Yeah. Let's see how quickly it'll reboot. Okay. Why are we getting that? Let me remove the media device. That could be it too. Invalid signature. Check secure boot policy and setup. Yeah, this is what they warn about. So I guess if I turn off secure boot or some freaking crap. Oh boy. Okay, so we need to be. I think we need F10. Come on. Oh my goodness. This thing's driving me nuts. We're just supposed to just put a Ubuntu on this thing and call it a day. Okay. So F10 is supposed to be the BIOS. Okay, there we go. Okay, so go to security. Device security, system audio, network controller. I don't know. Okay. USB security. Slot security, network boot. Okay. Right. System IDs, system security. Secure boot configuration. Okay, options in the setup page are only for Windows 8 and other operating systems. Changing the default settings of any of the setup options of this page for operating system. Yes. Okay. Legacy support. Okay. Turn it off. Okay. Enable. Okay, legacy support. Clear cube. Okay, so F10. Okay. Save changes and exit. Yes. So that might have been what was stopping me from installing all those other ones too. Okay, operating system boot mode change. A change to the operating system secure boot mode is pending. Please enter the passcode displayed Below to complete the change. If you did not initiate this request, press the escape key and accept the pending. So 7492. 7492 plus enter. Okay. So it was really just completely blocking this thing. Sorry for the long video, guys. Like the guy was saying, it's a madman. Ramblings of a madman. Trying to resurrect e-waste. That would be me. Okay, I really want this desktop like resolution changed. What are we gonna do here? Okay, I totally can't read this crap. That's the problem. All right. Launcher, terminal, desktop settings, background. That's not going to be it. Man, this is so hard to see. That is a really nice picture with this monitor. I changed something on the monitor. I can actually read it a lot better now. Okay, we got settings. Appearance. Settings. Windows scaling X2. Okay. That's a lot better. This is a very, very slick looking operating system. It seems to be pretty responsive. Let's go check out Firefox to see how long it takes. I bet you this would run really well on one of these other computers. Come on, yes. Privacy Badger. Add. Alright, we need other add-ons. We need ad blocker. Okay. Yeah, this is great. I'm digging it. Okay. So we got Ghostery. I like to add this one. It's really nice. I mean, like, this looks great. I know I definitely changed the screen the way it looks, but it's like still it's really nice. And it seems to be pretty snappy. It was not running this well in Windows at all, not even close. Like, this is nice. Okay, we need AdBlock Plus, Ultimate, whatever it is. Into Firefox. Yeah, no, this is way faster than Windows. Man, I like this one. I'm glad that I got this one to install. I'll try the other ones. I'll probably try the other ones on the other one. That's pretty cool, man. Let's see. I don't know, like how to benchmark something in Linux. I mean, there's like probably some way to do it, but yeah, this is definitely nice. So this little tab here, it opens up all your stuff here. It looks very windowy. Run program. I mean, this is cool. Yeah, I like this. And it just looks really nice. It's like that. I think that's what I like about it the most is just the appearance of it. Whereas Ubuntu is just kind of dull and just I don't know. It's I guess what is Ubuntu GNOME or whatever GNOME. Um, Now as far as all the other stuff goes, I don't know what kind of you know functionality it has for like, well, I want to run OBS Studio, or I want to do this, or I want to do that, or I want to do different things. But what's weird is if you click on this, it pulls it up on this side, which is kind of strange. Like whoever designed this must have been like left-handed like me. Let's go and see what we get here. I can't read that. This is the problem. I cannot read this. It's too small. So I need to be able to get in here and find out how to change my display settings. We've got this stuff over there, which is cool. The clock over there. We get files, Firefox. Why does this one show up small and this one's like normal? I mean, I cannot read that. It's like it's too small. So looks like there's more than one desktop here. Unmount. So we got here. Package manager, package installer, quick system info, favorites, games, graphics, settings, and system. Okay, so maybe settings. Where's my settings? That's not settings. Oh, I keep forgetting it's right over here. Accessibility, appearance, customize the look of your desktop, brightness. I don't know. Keyboard, mouse. These are all just way too small. System. Appearance. Okay, well, so style, fonts, default font. Okay, icons. Maybe if I change this number here. Bold. Oh, let's go up. All right. Okay. Mono regular. Select. Okay, that's fonts, icons, settings. Enable. Okay. Alright. But see, this here is really small right there. Okay. The fonts are bigger, but some of the other stuff. Okay, so that does make it easier to read that, but yeah, I don't know. Internet, graphics, games, multimedia. Let's see, we'll search in here. Display. There we go. Aha. So now, this is what I need to do. I don't want this resolution here. Refresh rate's on 30. We don't want 30. Won't let me do better than that. Interesting. Okay, so 19. Why is there an asterisk here? 1220 by 720. Apply. Come on. Oh no. That ain't gonna work. Oh jeez. Okay. Uh-huh. Weird. I don't know what's going on here. I can't see anything. I'm going to say it's this one here. Okay. I don't know. Let's go restart. See what happens. Okay, so it turned itself off. I'm waiting to see if it's... I don't know, I can't really tell. So basically, it just starts loading. And... let's see. I don't know what it did for the resolution. Let's see here. Let's look at the still has these really small things here. Let's go change our fonts. I go back down to what it was. Select. Okay. Okay. But why is that got to be that small there? It's sort of strange to me. Let's see. We go here and type display. Okay. I'm going to go click apply. See what it does. It's a little bit too much. So this is not an LG 32-inch TV. I forget what size it is. Oh, it changed the refresh rate to the correct one. Okay, that's cool. Close. I'd like to get something a little bit more in between size, but that's going to be good for me. Anyway, guys, I'm going to play around with this. This is by no means like an evaluation or review, so thanks for watching.